So I've decided to take it, my project just a different route. Rather than using something that's online, I still want to use a tool online, Google Drive, somewhere that I can store my project, but I've decided to do it in Captivate, Adobe Captivate. I'm familiar with it, and I'd like to see how I can make it a creative learning center. I read an article about math manipulatives, things that kids can use, like the building blocks, the small toys, the markers, the dots or whatnot. And how can we make that online? Like internet-based learning centers, especially with COVID. Year 2020 has been a big mess. Lots of learning is online. So I'm going to be doing my project in Captivate. I've decided to focus more on math. And what I want to do is I want to have the kids, I want them to be able to use tools within this project. So I want them to be able to take the markers and drag them to boxes where they can, where they can use it just like they would if it was, just like they would if they were in school, where they would put the dots within the boxes and then add them all up. Then they would enter a number here and hit submit, and it would give them correct or incorrect. So it's kind of my train of thought right now is developing an internet-based math learning center, keeping it engaging and creative for the kids to keep going and want to continue to use it.